Welcome to the future of unmanned aviation with Vimanam Airspace. We're your gateway to cutting-edge technology and innovation in the world of AI-powered drones. We provide transmission line inspection with artificial intelligence software employs computer vision technology to examine, monitor, and maintain electrical transmission lines in real time. Our drones have high-resolution cameras and sensors that are often utilized for data collection. Using AI software, these devices gather photos and videos of transmission cables and adjacent equipment. When AI software receives photos and videos from the inspection, it finds damaged insulators, broken conductors, corrosion, foreign objects, and other utilities. This contributes to presenting a complete picture of the transmission line's condition. For inspecting hard-to-reach or risky places, decrease downtime, and improve maintenance plans, ultimately resulting to cost savings. Contact us today to get the service. Your vision, our precision.